Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your mirror glass on a Honda Civic. Alright, so we're going to be doing this on the passenger side mirror. The same directions are going to apply to the driver's side. It's just going to be a mirror image flop of what I'm doing here. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our hand and press the upper corner of the glass, and we're going to want to open up the side closest to us, and just by pressing on the top there, it'll kind of do that. And then you can also use your hand and just pull on the glass a little bit, and then behind there you can see the white part, and then there's the black part. The black part is part of the mirror, and the white part is part of the it's like the motor mount for the mirror housing. And so what we want to do is pop that white part off of the black, and we're just going to take a flathead screwdriver and get in behind there and pop this bottom off. So you can see that there's clips on the glass right there, and those just pop off. And then once you have that bottom loose, you can press the motor mount kind of back in a little bit, and then we're just going to pull down on the glass. And that pops these hooks off of the mirror. And next I'm going to take my glass that I got off Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below of which one I got. And I always like to do a quick double check on just the mounting tabs. You want to make sure you got the right part before you put it on, and make sure everything lines up and everything. And to put it back on, all you need to do is, so this is the top part, and you need to make sure that these tabs slip in to these holes. So you want to line those up and then press them in. And then once those are in, you want to go ahead and take the bottom and press it in. You can even, this is going to sound crazy, but you can even give it a little bit of a hit. The glass is pretty tough. When you give it that smack like that, it's going to get that bottom snapped in just simply by pushing on it. Sometimes it doesn't want to get snapped in. Just give it a little smack on the bottom, and it'll get it popped in. And then just rotate it with your hands to make sure that it's mounted properly. And that's it, guys. Your glass is back in. Thanks for watching.